Hey everyone, I'm Bassmaster Elite Series Pro Pat Schlapper, and today I want to address one of the most common questions I get asked about fluorocarbon line, and that is how often do I re-spool? And the answer to me is pretty simple yet a little complex. So the first time I'm gonna re-spool is if I'm just running out of line. My line's just too low from retying, maybe you got snagged, broke off a couple times, I'm definitely gonna re-spool then. The other time is if you get a really bad backlash, a lot of times it can create weak spots in the line. So if you get a really bad backlash, definitely a good idea to re-spool your line. The third is just if you've used it for a long period of time. Now for some people that might be 3 days. You know, if you're someone who fishes dark to dark 3 days in a row and you use that particular rod a lot, I would re-spool it. And then just the overall general rule of thumb I have for people is if you have any thought in your mind that you think you should re-spool your line, re-spool it. Because to me, if you have any thought in your mind that your line might be weak, I honestly feel like you fish differently with that rod. You set the hook different, you fight fish different. That's kind of the mental side of it. So if you think you should re-spool your line, re-spool it, and get a big spool, get a 660 yard spool so you don't have to worry about not having enough line, and this will last you a long time when you buy a big spool.